You want to go get supper? Because it's too hot to cook, I think. Is it too hot to cook? So we should go get supper and pop cup? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, you got your stuff? You got your money? You got your money? Okay. Do you have any money? What do you mean I have to pay for you again? Oh my goodness, okay. And could I also do one pop cup?
Yeah.
And that'll be it, thank you.
And can I have a name for the order?
Was that pretty good? Did that cool you down? Culver's, I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. I ordered a scoop of the flavor of the day. I fear the flavor is missing from my scoop. It was supposed to be Oreo cheesecake, and the advertising made it look delicious, and I will never know. Because what I got back is mostly vanilla custard with, as you can see, just like dusting of what used to be Oreos on the bottom. I mean, this looks almost identical to the pup cup that Moose received. I'm still gonna eat it because it's hot, but I'm sad. That was pretty good. That was pretty good.